Scott?
What?
Oh, sorry. Are you in the bathroom? I have a son. He smelled bad. A lot of the times.
Give her the stun gun thing, please.
Bleep, bloop, bloop, blop, bloop.
It doesn't make that sound.
It does, in my mind.
I can't feel my face.
I look really good.
You do look really good in this picture.
The biggest smile. And look at me smiling. Look at my pose.
Good God. Good, let's do that again.
Wait, I know.
Nail in the hair.
Trust me, I deal with it all the time. Sorry. Wait, relax.
I haven't seen that Jeep in almost 8 years.
I've got an important text. Don't forget, Earth Day Festival is tomorrow. Hey. I didn't know you had to turn those things off. Sorry.
Think it's working?
Come on, Malia. We're out of here.
Me first. Oh,
Go ahead.
come on, I'm not that heavy.
Should we start over?
It's like a big chicken.
I'd be a pirate.
Nothing sharper.
I'm fine. It's good stuff.
Don't hurt me.
God, I love you. I love you. Jesus.
Okay, listen up, everybody. We're all gonna... What? We're gonna cut.